come and see Gypsy Queen. It's two amazing performances, it's brilliantly written, it's very cleverly performed, loads of multi-rolling, really good staging, great characters and really important issues. LGBTQI in sport is a really big issue right now and something we should be talking more about, and this play does that really well, so come and see it.
I genuinely think that's one of the best Fringe shows I've ever seen.
I've seen the show, this is my fourth time seeing it. I saw it in Edinburgh last year twice, went down to London to see it, and it was my favourite thing. I just think the way that they kind of managed to portray kind of multiple different spectrums of the gay community within the piece, and kind of respectfully looking at every element of it.
So I just come over from Australia. It's my first day on the Fringe. I heard about this show, Gypsy Queen. I was very impressed. Was very funny. I did laugh a lot through the show, and the ending was superb. So definitely recommend you get along and see it if you're in town.
I just think it's really moving.
And performances are so well done. The different characters that each actor plays, you know, that you just believe each one.
It's just really amazing. Definitely go see it. It's fantastic.